the famous potatoes that are more delicious than meat. For this recipe, need 800 grams of potatoes. Cut them in medium pieces. Now put the potatoes in a pot, cover them with water, and let them cook. Tell me which recipe with potatoes you like to make the most. I'd love to know. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter, then 1 grated carrot and stir. And put the potatoes in a bowl and smash them. Now put the carrot in the bowl, parsley to taste, 150 grams of mozzarella cheese, and stir to combine. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Sonja Ladaparisi from Holland. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. Mix, then take a portion with the spoon and with your hands, start shaping into a round shape like this. Now in a bowl, add 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of flour, and mix until smooth. Once this is done, coat our potatoes with this mixture one by one like this. In a pan, add oil, then the potatoes, coat it, and let fry. When one side is fried, turn it over to fry the other side. You guys, this recipe is incredibly delicious. Make it at home, and then come back here to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.